Hey guys, real quick, going over the progression and regressions of the suspension strap body row. If we want this exercise to be easier, we want to scoot our feet further back, okay? We're keeping our torso and our entire body rigid as we are rowing, okay? If I want to make it more difficult and progress the exercise, I simply move my feet or scooch my feet closer in, and you can make it as hard as you want by going in closer and closer, keeping that body rigid, progressing the exercise this way. Another way, if you're in the middle of a set and you're fatiguing, make sure that you just regress. You can regress mid-set by scooting your feet back. Another way you can do this is shorten the lever. So let's say you're here and I'm doing some reps and it's starting to get difficult. I have a couple reps left. I can just shorten my lever by bending my knees just like this. And now it becomes a little bit easier so I can finish my reps within that set. Okay, hope that helps.